Right, so for today's video, it's going to be a challenge. It's going to be 2v1 playing against Robert. Yeah, ito here in Philippine Navy. T-shot na ni Allen. So we're playing 2v1. I assume they will be playing a two-man scramble versus ako. So we're starting this challenge, hole number 1. Match play na 2v1. Okay. Good luck, brother.
Good luck.
But, yan, syempre walang kupas. Aba, si Warren. Kanina ko magkakadi. Nevada. Tapos si Buena.
Nakita mo? Sweet naman.
Si Ugi. Has also playing with new friend si John.
Kanan?
Ikaw muna dyan. Kaliwa lang ng bunker. Ay, kanan ng bunker. Tumira na si Allen and Ugi. I think they're right at the fairway. Ako naman, had to take a relief kasi sobrang putik. So, hitting lang a 7-iron, make this a 3-shot hole para course management.
Saka lang.
Before the 200, ano? Landed left. Mga 20 yards before the red stick. Right, Ugi and Allen around 150 yards siguro to the flag. So this is what they're looking at. This is their third shot. So parehas kami. Up and down for par, birdie. Kaliwa. Short. For my third shot, left with 120 yards, hitting a 50-degree wedge.
Before bunker.
Pulled it left before the bunker. Okay, sa Allen and Ugi. Just off the green. Mahina. Nakalakas. Sobra. Okay, ako naman 20 yards left to right. Mabilis ba to? Ha? Nip?
Opo. Bye.
Mabilis. Okay, I have that Olympian. I have that par putt. Allen. They are taking Allen's chip. Ayun na. Manina. Ugi. To force me to make my putt. Ganda na speed. Okay na yan. Good putt. Bogey. Hole number 2. We're currently all square. 447 yards. Dogleg left. Good shot. Nice shot. Allen and Ugi, they are taking Allen's tee shot. Mga 250 yards pa to the flag. Ganun kalayo. Naku, huwag kang malaglag. Ay, sorry. Bigay lang naman yan, libre. Tawid mo. Ay, shoot. Okay, for my second shot, left with 210 yards. Hopefully playing it short. Hindi pala hopefully. Playing it short with the 4-iron.
Ay, kumana.
Ayun. Parang may bumagsak. No? Kala ko mag-OB ako. Open yung ano ko, front face. Buti na sumabit sa mga puno. kaliwa lang si Allen.
May mga chichain.
Allen and Ugi left with around 150 yards to the flag. Ganda, Ugi! Ay, oh. Huwag ka lang mag-bunker. Ayun, lumabas! Okay, 75 yards. Go up and down for par.
Go. Pangit ang kick.
Kaliwa kasi pinataasan ko. Okay, at least spotting for par. Allen and Ugi around 35 yards to the flag. They are taking Allen's third shot. So that is for par. Yeah. So up and down for bogey. Ganda. Ganda, Ugi. Wow. Nice shot, Ugs. I have this par putt to go one up. It's 5 paces firm.
Wow. Nice. Blackball belly.
Ito yung tinread lang sa akin. Okay, hole number 3. Currently 1 up. Playing 174 yards. Ano yan, 7? Okay.
Diretso.
Yan,
Uy, diretso yun ah.
Tingnan mo. Kanan lang. Sakto.
Go, 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 go.
Parang walang bumaba. They are in for par. Okay, so ako 24 yards left right to go up and down for par.
Bye.
Okay, I have this par putt. Okay, hole number 4, 324 yards. Dogleg left. Currently still 1 up. Mabilis na shot out ka. Ha?
Please na selfie.
Mukhang Nokia na.
May message.
Tatlo. Marami na na-dengo yan. Ganda ng dumulas.
Ay! Balik! Ayun, bumalik.
Dumulas yung paa eh. Ganda.
Go ahead, John.
Nice shot. Good shot, Len. Okay. Allenwood. 120 yards. Go! Go! Short yan. Ay ba, ganda. Umabot. Ay, tumigil. Ganda rin. Carry mo lang. Carry the green. Patong. Okay. Second shot, left with 105 yards to the flag. Hitting a 60-degree wedge. Try to go over this tree. Ay, ba't kumakabig?
Olympian.
Kaliwa? Kabig ano? Okay. Fringe lang naman pala. Pero pulled it. Okay. Allen and Ugi just off the green sa fringe. That is their birdie putt. That is Allen's approach. Mahina. Okay, I have this birdie chip or to go up and down for par. Right to left. Okay. Allen and Robert for par. This is to stay 1 down. Uy!
Sabi ko ba?
Okay. Robert. To stay 1 down. To avoid going 2 down. Nice putt. Okay. Hole half. Good par, brother. Built for pressure. Okay, what a clutch putt by Robert to keep the match 1 down or 1 up ako. So it's playing 110 yards. Ganda. Pero babait yan. Lakas lang. Short yata.
Go! Mangker.
Ay, kaliwa. Okay, masyado kong kinontrol in the bunker. Mga 10 yards. Nakachamba. Hindi ko alam kung anong... Buti lang nagamitan ko ng common sense yung tirang yun. Okay. Hindi kasi, ano siya eh, meaning the slope, parang this bunker is uphill. So ang ginawa ko, pinantay ko lang yung shoulder ko. Tapos medyo pa-cut spin para umakyat ka agad. So swerte naman, lumabas ng maayos. For par. Tapos sila Allen and Ugi, that is for their birdie to win the hole. Hina. Mahina rin.
Go!
Uy! That's good, good par. I need to make this putt para 1 up pa rin ako. Okay, 1 up pa rin. Par lang? Galing bunker? Ay, sorry. Thank you. Okay.
Galing mo mag-putt.
Pating Olympics sa ano. Okay. Galing-galing magbasa ni Wena. Oh, gumagawi na siya. Abutin, wala ako laro bukas. Okay, hole number 6. Currently still 1 up. 343 yards, dog leg left. Ay! Kanan lang.
Yeah, John.
Ay, ganun din.
Tangina, sobrang
Oh,
pagod.
man.
Alright! Natawa mo kasi partner ko. Puta.
Ikaw kasi
Kahit naman di ako tumawag. Ganyan.
Wow, grabe naman.
Himalasan, nasa gitna tayo.
Grabe, ang sikip. Sikip-sikip na na.
Allen and Ugi inside the woods. Malayo pa. Punch out. Okay lang. G22. Kilala mo yun, yung P-pop din. Kilala mo? Nakasama ko kahapon. Around 100 yards. Ganda, Ugs! Go! Ay, short. Go!
Sobrang ayun eh.
Sobra pala. Kala ko short. Nice shot! Ay, second shot. Left with 90 yards. Aiming for letter R. 90? Hindi, 80 pala. Tirang 75.
Left.
Time! Medyo maayos yung second shot namin ni Wena dito. Okay, putting for birdie.
Himala.
Bugok! Ay mala. Gagawin talaga kitang Viva Max artist. Kukulitin ko si Fred. Nako naman! Nag-posing pa. Both teams putting for birdie. I have this birdie putt 6 spaces. Si Allen and Ugi mas malayo. Lakas. Hindi siya nag-text sa akin. Hindi, wala rin ako kahapon nag-tournament. Ang lakas din! Mas firm nga. Joke lang yung firm. Okay, I have this birdie putt to go 2 up. Left to right. Tama ba? Firm lang, Weng. Okay, this is na birdie putt to go 2 up. Salo sa dulo ng linya. Okay.
Ay! Lang.
Thank you.
Malakas konti.
For par kayo, to half the hole to. 2 up. Nice spot, Ugi. Ikaw pala dapat una. Alright, hole number 7. John, morning. Ay, shout out to my friend si John. Ayan. 327 yards. Uy, kanan. Naku, kanan din.
Four left.
Okay, 151 yards. Sana mapadraw ko. And medyo mababa. This tree is in play.
Go! Short.
Go! Hina. Hina.
Allen and Ugi. Ilang yards po ba kayo? 75 yards. Open lang. Nice shot, patong. Nice shot. Ay, sumabit lang. Oh, patong! Ganda! Lumusot! Nice shot, brother! 26 yards. Left to right to go up and down for par. Sila Allen yan. That's for their par also.
Birdie, baby! Ay, sayang. Take.
Thank you, par. Naku, may pa-zoom na siya. Ikaw yung artista, hindi ikaw yung cameraman. Okay, Allen and Ugi they need to make this to half the hole. Diba, make a ball? Ah! Okay. That's good. Nakakuha nga! Ay! Sayang. Good try. Okay, hole number 8. It's playing 155 yards.
Cut. Huwag ka mag-bunker. Carry. Carry. Ka na. Quick. Wow. Mainit.
All in one mo.
Kabig lang, kaliwa. Okay, Allen. They needed to take Allen's tee shot. This is to go up and down. Wow, ganda! Galing! Okay, that's for their par. Bueng 4-4!
O yan, dyan lang. Dyan lang ang bola, ha?
Okay ka lang?
Okay ka lang? Sorry.
Okay. This is for their par.
Shoot.
Uy, walang bali. Okay, kita. Make this. Na-push.
Ay!
Hole number 9. Nagalit. Stop turning. Okay lang. 3 line lang. Good shot. Nice shot. Kala ko kagabi umuulan eh. Okay. Course management. Hopefully, I can hit this in the fairway for my second shot.
Behind ng konti ah.
Okay, landed around 150 yard marker. Okay, sa Ugi and Allen laying up. Tawid. Turn. Nice shot, Len. Perfect yan.
Ay, kanan.
Okay, left with 150 yards to the flag. Tingin mo ba, 8?
Meron na lang.
Okay lang play short. Pero feeling ko short din.
Ako, maliwa.
Grabe, pulled it. Baka either sa bunker sa left or over the bunker. Ayan, tapos sila Allen and Ugi. Tumira na si Allen, hindi ko nakita. This is their third shot as well. Bilis tumira, hindi ko na videohan. Parang bunker din yata.
Nasa green ata siya.
Naubi ako. Ha? Okay.
Ay!
Okay, I think they won this hole. This is for birdie, net eagle na nila eh. Ako pating double bogey na. Mahina. Sumipa sa kaliwa.
Tama yung speed. Ooh, good.
Alright, hole number 10. Playing 140 yards. Hitting a controlled 9 iron. Ikaw itong ano eh.
Uy,
Ganda. Ay, ano lang.
Ganda naman.
92,000 na ang pot money dito.
Ganda.
Sa Olympian.
Okay, landed. Left of the green. Allen and Ugi just off the green. This is to go up and down for their par. Bite, 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 bite. Go! Ay, mahina. Okay, that's for their par. Or kay, malamang kay Allen na for putting. This is for birdie. 8 paces. Maliit lang yan? Hindi ba lalayla yan mamaya doon? Okay. Ay! Allen and Uwi. For par. Ako hina.
Light.
Okay. Okay, hole number 11, that was a terrible bogey. May pop sila dito, one stroke. 295.
Pwede na, no?
Baka 6'5 iron na lang. Naku, Delix. Naku, ganun din.
Nice. Husay.
Unfortunately, they had to take a drop. Okay, unfortunately, Allen and Ugi had to take a drop. This is their third shot. Pero they get a plus naman here. Behind. Malambot din kasi lupa. Okay, second shot. I might have an opening. 120 yards siguro to. Hitting a 50-degree wedge. Dapat pala yung ba? No? Sinabi na nga ni Weng na downhill. Down slope. Kulang sa kaliwa yung aim ko. I aimed straight. Okay. Sila Allen and Robert in for bogey. Okay. Ako putting for par. So, 2 putt 2, half the hole. Okay. 137 lang ha. 137.
137.
Yung yardage. Okay. Hole number 12. Playing 130. Hindi. Binaril ko sa flag. 137.
Green rice.
Nice shot. Pato.
Nice shot.
Nice.
Yun yan, ganda, Ugi.
Bro.
One time.
Bro.
One time.
Bro mo. Nice shot.
Para. Ganda na din niya.
Bro. Nice shot, G. Bro. Nice shot.
Okay, Allen already putted. That is their birdie attempt. Short si Allen. So si Ugi.
Okay na, okay na.
Okay, Ugi. For their birdie.
Ayan. Yun.
Mahina rin.
Mahina.
Okay, I have this putt to win the hole. Ang bigay mo, Weng, diretso?
Diretso nga.
No?
Edge talaga dapat.
Alright, sayang yung birdie putt. Hole number 13, 489 yards. Ay, kaliwa.
Sino ba yung veteran players ng time natin?
Scooby-Doo.
Or!
Kanan ba? Okay, Allen and Robert taking Allen's tee shot. Ganda!
Wow.
Beautiful!
Hindi na ako papalo.
Huwag lang umabot sa bunker. Ganda ng tira ni Allen. Okay, pinilit ako ni Weng. Mag-play safe daw.
Naku, huwag ka mag-bunker. Four!
That's their third shot. Nako, short. Go, 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 go.
Lalim eh.
Malambot kasi. Okay, that's their... Kaliwa lang. Pero patong naman yata.
Nice.
Bunker ba? Yeah. Yeah. 70 yards. To go up and down for potentially birdie. Left to right. Against the wind. Tira 70.
Sumabit pa kasi. Sumabit.
Okay. Allen and Ugi to go up and down for... Ano ba nila yan? For par, no? Layo. Alam ko nung kakagat. Okay. They are putting for par, net birdie. Ako putting for par. And Allen putting for par, net birdie. Wala, lumaylay na. That's good. Naku, hina. Sobrang hina, Len. So, bogey par. So, mas make ako dito.
Wow. 8 ball half.
Okay. Okay, hole number 14. 510 yards. Naku, sumabi. Mag-orchard. May mga nag-ano. Naku, sumabit pareho. Safe ba? Dusot.
Carry naman. Oy! Oy!
Okay, course management daw. 7 iron lang. Tama ba? Okay. Ito.
Nice shot.
Idol!
Allen and Roberts, third shot. Around 200 plus yards. Wow! Ay, sumabit, tumunog. Ano nga, kanan, open. For my third shot, left with 75 yards to the flag. Tirang mga 65. Sila Allen I think they might have to take Allen's third shot.
Ay!
Sayang, akala ko eagle ulit. Ha? Okay, that's for birdie. Kukuha pa bola. Okay, this is Robert. Ay, no. Okay, I think I got this hole. Ano na ba kayo? 4 par yata to. Ah, okay. Give me bird. Yay! Naka-birdie rin kami sa round na to. Okay, ikaw pat mo. Nice pot. Buena. Good read. Okay, Allen and Robert. This is for their par. Net birdie. So they need to make this. Ay, mahina lang. That's good. Okay. They need, si Robert pala needs to make this for me. Naku, mahina. Kanan pa. That's good, brother. Okay. Okay, hole 14. 15 pala. 442.
Nice.
Sige pa, turn pa right. Okay lang yan. Maganda yan.
Nice shot.
Huwag lang ma-plug ball. Okay, terrible tee shot. Tumama sa puno. Palong 140 yards lang with the 9-iron. Ay, with the pitching.
Ganda naman. Bang.
Allen. This is their second shot. Ay, nag-open. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, nag-open down for birdie. Against the wind. 150 yards.
Kaliwa nga. Buti maganda yung kick.
pumatong pa. Allen and Ugi unfortunately had to take a drop for their third shot, so third, fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth shot. This is their fourth shot. Wow! Nice shot, Len! Patong! Galing! I have this chip to go up and down for par left to right. Diba? Kung linyang puti. Chipping. Ah, ganyan pa kalaki. Kulang na kulang pala yung nakikita ko.
Par. Nice shot.
De par. Pakalawa na yan. Na-chokoy yun dito. Ay, well, parang chokoy. Okay. Okay, Allen. Hole number 16. Playing 100. Good hangin. Hole in one. Go, go, go. Mahina yung hangin.
Left, left. Left, left, left.
Patong! Last nga dapat. Parang 4 lang yung okay, hole number 17. Almost 185 yards pero with the wind. Currently 5 over. Hitting a 6 iron. Turn.
Kick right.
Kick right.
Kanan lang. Okay, left to right. Mga around 20 yards. Come on, Luigi. Up and down. So far.
Nakakatakot lakasan.
Okay, for
Mapipilitan
Par.
na lang mag-touch yung player sa'yo eh.
Saka si Atan, Luigi.
Pinukpok.
Ayan, okay. Last hole. I just need to avoid double par to break 80. Second shot, layo. 220 yards, 230 yards. Hitting hybrid.
Yun. Umangat sa bunker.
Okay, left with 40 yards. I just need to avoid double par. 40 yards. Okay, tirang 4. I'll try the new.
In.
Lalakas ko din.
Okay, for par. 5 bases minus 1.
Bukas yan.
Oo. Ay, mali, hindi ko mali.
Diretso.
Len, good round, brother. Welcome back to the channel. Ay, balik na pa, tapos na pala. John, nice meeting you, brother. Nice meeting you. Ugs, nice meeting you. Kain tayo? Lunch? Nice shot.